From the moment that you kissed me, you gave me something I was missing. And I knew that I would always need your touch. The way I look at you is special. Your sweet is on another level. That's why I knew I would always be in love. Look, look, there's a mango tree. There's a mango tree. But the fruit ain't half as sweet, no. Like the love you bring. Like the love. And when we kiss, you pour magic on me. Those mangoes I'll eat. My favorite fruit. My favorite fruit ain't half as sweet. Oh, you can't be beat. Oh no, when we kiss, I know it's sweeter than mangoes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a gorgeous unit that's so perfect for the summer. We have some color, y'all, and this unit is from Her Given Hair. So I'm just opening up the box to show you all what the unit looks like right out of the package. It does come with this satin bag as well as this elastic band, so that if you want to sew an additional one on, you can, and they already have it available for you. This color is so gorgeous. Now it is a purple unit in darker light, but in the sun it does look burgundy. It has Swiss transparent lace. The knots are deeply bleached. And this particular unit is a lace front. However, it currently is only available in a lace closure construction. This unit does come with combs on the inside as well as an elastic band that's already attached, and you can adjust it. So I'm going to put it on to see how it fits. I always get my units from Her Given Hair in a size small, and it fits me so well. I love how this unit lays so flush to the scalp. It's the perfect unit for melting the lace with. This unit is in length 20, and this is where it falls on me. The curls are already really defined, but I am going to decide to wash it. But before I do so, I want to show you all the unit up close and personal. It does have 6 inches of parting space, but keep in mind I did get the lace front construction, but it's currently in a lace closure construction. But if you want it in a lace front construction, keep in mind you can just get it custom made like I did. So now that I've shown you all the features of the unit, I'm going to begin to wash the unit, and I'm going to use Total Miracle 7-in-1 by Aussie. I love this conditioner. So as you can see, it does look good right out of the package, but after you wash it and define the curls more using a detangling brush like this, which is a Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush, it's going to look so much better. Now this particular unit does have more of a loose, wavier texture, and it's so beautiful for the summertime, especially if you're on the beach. It's going to look amazing, and this color is just a really nice pop that's just going to add interest and just going to be a statement to whatever outfit you're wearing. So I'm just currently distributing the conditioner, and I'm using my detangling brush in order to define the curls and to ensure that the conditioner is fully dispersed all over the unit. After completing this process, I am going to add my styler, but I'm just going to let you all watch this process and then I'll come back on.
I don't know nobody on my level, dripping stars like a boss, plus I'm rocking heavy metal, yeah. I don't know nobody on my level, dripping stars like a boss, plus I'm rocking heavy metal.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, past that 808.
This is the amount of shedding that I experienced, which is pretty normal, especially for the length of this hair and a curlier texture. So after washing out the conditioner, this is what the hair looks like without anything in it. The curls are so beautiful, and you can allow it to air dry at this point, but I always decide to add a moisturizing product. I'm going to be using the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine leave-in conditioner as well as the serum, and then I'm going to allow it to air dry overnight.
Take down and emotions feel like I never did before. Live shows and spoken reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies on a broken sea and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you could see me, but you did. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're calling, falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah.
Alright, so it's the next day and the hair is already air dried. This is what the curls look like. They look so juicy. Now the hair does have a good amount of hold, and I'm going to show you guys how to kind of loosen up that hold a little bit. But the unit is laid. Because we already prepared it the way that we did prior to installing it, it's going to make it so easy for us to install this glueless and it look really natural. So I'm just going to cut the lace off in the front, and then we're going to proceed to install the unit. So right now I'm applying a wig cap that had already been prepared with the partial ball cap method. I just cut the thick band around it off, and as you can see, the unit is so perfect. It looks so good, and I'm just going to make sure the elastic band fits well around my head, and then I'm going to pull the unit forward, and I'm going to make sure that my stocking cap is pulled forward enough. Typically I would spray it down and make sure that it's secure, but I didn't feel the need to do that for this install. I felt like if I laid the unit properly, then it wouldn't be necessary. So as you can see, you don't have to use any type of adhesive at all for this install. There's no work needed. Everything has been done, and this unit looks so gorgeous. I just love the color and just how it's structured. Now I am going to go in and refine the part a little bit just to make sure that it looks really scalp-like. I'm completing this process with my MAC face powder, and as you can see, the parting is so deep and it looks so realistic. I just love that about this unit. This unit is currently on sale along with a few other new arrivals. This sale actually started yesterday and it ends today, and all profits for this particular unit and the new arrivals for the first month will be donated in support of the Black Lives Matter movement to different organizations that Her Given Hair has selected. Now, in order to reduce some of the hold, I'm going to be using the restorative spray by The Main Choice. This is great for your natural hair, but I also like to use it on my units. I like to spray this in order to add shine and just to give a really nice sheen and healthy, soft feel to the hair. Now I shared with you guys that we're going to be wearing this unit glueless. You could actually leave it like this, but just to make sure it's secure, I like to add a bobby pin to each of the sides, and that's pretty much what's going to be holding the unit down. The elastic band that's already pre-attached to the unit does help some, but not too much. I don't feel like it's tight enough, so I always like to do this in order to help. And we're pretty much finished with the unit, guys. That's it. And I didn't actually make it voluminous too much at first. I felt like it looked good flat to my head, as well as creating volume by using my fingers in order to just pull it apart, but it looks so good. This unit is so beautiful and it would be great for the summer. So right now I'm just showing you all how great the unit looks with no volume, but I am going to add some volume at the end. But I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. Also check the description box. All the links and specifications will be provided down there. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.
My favorite fruit ain't half as sweet. Oh.